Okay, so the chapter's name is Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. So, children, we have started our lesson, means started this year with the French Revolution, right? So we have means we know what is meant by a revolution or what is happening while the people, if they wanted a change. What do you mean by revolution? What do you mean by revolution?
Make a change in politics.
Means if the people of a particular country, if they not satisfied with the existing political system, they will react. Okay, they will react against the existing political system, and they will change the system, right? If they wanted to change the existing political system, that is meant by revolution. Okay, so here we have seen that in France, what was the problem? In France, we learned that chapter about French Revolution. So what is the problem in France, Gauri? Why the people of France wanted a change?
When Louis XVI came into power, he found an empty treasure and he charged taxes for many
Taxes.
things.
Okay, so the people of France, they were not satisfied with the ruler, with the king. Okay, but the most important problem, what was the most important problem for the outbreak of the revolt, Sri Hari?
Ma'am, heavy tax. And
Heavy taxes. And also, what about the social condition? What about the society?
ma'am, it was divided into three,
Three groups. Yeah. And
and
the
all
first,
people were not considered
considered
equal.
equal. Okay, so that was the main problem because there the people are not treated in an equal way. Okay, certain section of people or society was enjoying some privileges, so the people reacted against that system, and they installed democracy, right? Yes. Okay, so what do you remember, what are the principles of French Revolution? The basic principles of French Revolution. Do you remember, children? Hmm? Liberty, liberty, everyone forgot. Huh? Liberty, equality, and fraternity. What do you mean by fraternity? Brotherhood. Okay, fraternity means brotherhood. Liberty, freedom. Okay, liberty means freedom. Then equality,
Everyone is
equal.
equal
Yeah,
before the law.
everyone should be equal. Okay, so liberty, equality, and fraternity, that was the main principle of the French Revolution. Okay, brotherhood, freedom, and equality. Okay, so this principle of French Revolution inspired the people of Europe during that time. Means till that time, most of the European countries were ruled by a monarch or a king. Okay, and the people, they were being suppressed. Okay, they were being suppressed. But when means after the French Revolution, the French principles, okay, the French revolutionary principle, liberty, equality, and fraternity, and it inspired the people in Europe. So the people in Europe, they all wanted a change. Okay, so here in Russian Revolution, we are going to discuss about Russian Revolution. Here in Russia also, a certain section of people, they were not satisfied with the government, and so they reacted. Okay, so they protested against the existing political system. So which all means things we have discussed about French Revolution, the same causes. Okay, it's the same reason we will discuss in this chapter also. Okay, so the main inspiring event, okay, inspiring event for the change in European countries, that is related to French Revolution. So after when the French Revolution, the people in Europe, they have seen that the people of France, they have overthrown a government means I mean an emperor or a king, okay, the rule of the king, and they established democratic rule over in France. So the other people, okay, the other people in different parts of Europe, they also think that, okay, they also thought that if they can, okay, if they united and if they work against the existing political system, they can make some changes in their country. Not only in Europe, many of the Asian countries and also in India, okay, and even in India, the people inspired by the French Revolution, any of the people during that time, they wanted a change. Okay, they wanted a change in the existing political system, so that that age, okay, that age is referred as a change, means a social age of social change. Okay, because most of the people in different parts of the world, that means in Europe, Asian countries, even in India, okay, many of the people, they all wanted a change. Okay, so before moving into Russian Revolution or the causes for the outbreak of the revolution, we are going to discuss about the changes. Okay, that means most of the people in Europe during this time, they wanted a change. So this era or this age, it is known as the age of social change. Okay, then I have told you the main reason behind this change, okay, was the French Revolution. And after the French Revolution, the people have seen that most means they overthrown monarchy, okay, overthrown monarchy, and a democratic rule or constitution was set up over there in France. So that inspired the people of Europe, not only in Europe, even Asia. Okay, many of the Asian countries and even our own country, India, this change means this ideas, okay, inspired the people. Okay, the French revolutionary ideas inspired the people. And the people who wanted a change, okay, there were different viewpoints for different section. So the people, those who wanted a change, they were divided into three groups, very important children, that is liberals, radicals, and conservatives. Okay, so the people, those who wanted a change in the existing political system. Okay, so most of the countries in Europe, Asia, okay, all these countries, the people wanted a change. Those who wanted a change, okay, they were grouped into three. They were conservatives, liberals, and radicals. Okay. Which are the three groups prevalent during this time? Anjali, can you tell me? Three section or three groups of people.
Conservatives,
Yeah.
liberals,
Liberals and
radicals.
radicals. Okay. So children, they were, these three sections, they were differ in their opinions or ideas. Okay. Each of these groups' ideas were entirely different from each other. Okay. So let us discuss what are the viewpoints of conservatives and what are the viewpoints of liberals and what are the viewpoints of radicals. Okay. So first we will go to liberals. So the liberals, they wanted a nation which tolerated all religions. Okay, what do you mean by tolerate all religion? Have you heard about secularism? What do you, India is a secular state. What do you mean by secular?
Ma'am, anyone has the freedom to choose their own religion.
Religion. And also one important point is there, Srihari, what that means, India, okay, India, it do not have an official language. Do you understand? We have official religion, sorry, official language is there, official bird, like that we have many, right? But we do not have any official religion. We do not give any particular status to any particular religion. Understand? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that means liberals wanted a nation which tolerated all religion. That means all religious section of people have or they can enjoy full freedom or they can live peacefully in that country. Okay, so here children in Britain, okay, Britain and Austria, okay, they favored Catholic Church. Okay, they have their official religion. Okay, some countries they have some official religion. So the liberals wanted a nation. They do not want to give a special status to any particular religion. They wanted a nation that can accommodate or tolerate all religious people, all religious section. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, secularism means that we are not giving any particular status or particular position to any particular religion. India, we are giving equal status to all religion, right? Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs or Christian, who are maybe, they are all are considering as equal. Okay, so liberals also, they also wanted a nation which tolerates all religion, because you know in European countries they favored, okay, some of the countries like Britain and Austria, they favored some particular religion. Okay, Catholic Church, that you will study in detail in 10th standard. Okay, so some of the European countries, they were promoting or they were promoting one particular religion. So the liberals, they wanted, okay, they wanted a nation that can accommodate all religious people. They won't be given any special status to any particular religion. Is it clear? The first point, is it clear to you children? Hmm? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then second is, they were against the uncontrolled power of the dynastic rulers. That means they were against, okay, they were against the concentration of power in one single hand. That means if a king is a king, if he is in power, he will decide what all things he wanted, right? He will he is the only person who can decide the administration or what all matters regarding a particular country. So here they were against the uncontrolled power of the dynastic ruler. They don't think that a one single man can rule or govern the entire city or entire country. Okay, so they were against the uncontrolled power of the dynastic rulers, and they wanted right for individual. What do you mean by individual rights? Individual rights,
Right to freedom,
right to freedom, right to
freedom of speech.
very good, freedom of speech and expression. Okay, so a government, okay, the liberals wanted a government which protects the rights of the individual. Okay, individual's right is to be protected. And that means a government cannot take or cannot exercise power over the individuals. Okay, the government or a citizen, he should have to react against the atrocities or the cruel or injustice rulers. Okay, if anything happen, a citizen, okay, a citizen should enjoy all freedom. He needed to talk against them, he needed to share their opinion, share his opinion against the government. So a government, the liberals wanted a government which protects the individual rights. Okay, then they also argued for an elected parliamentary government. The people should have the power to elect their government, and also they argued for a well-trained judiciary that is free from the rulers and officials. Like in a democratic country, people will get a chance to elect their leaders, and a judiciary, a well-trained judiciary system of courts in the country that is free from the rulers and officials. What do you mean by free from rulers and officials?
The rulers and official doesn't have any influence on the judiciary.
Yes, they should not influence the functions of the judiciary. Judiciary is free from the influence of the rulers and the officials. So children, just think about all these 4 points. They wanted a nation that is tolerating, okay, which tolerate all religion. Means don't give a special status to any particular religion. Then the second one, the power of the central authority is being limited. No one can exercise unlimited power. Every individual should get, okay, their freedom, means they have certain rights to enjoy. Then also the parliamentary government with a judiciary with means free of independent rulers and officials. So all these points, it is similar to the democratic ideas, right?
ma'am.
Yes, just think about India is a democratic country. So we are see, first point, see, we are not giving any official status to any particular religion. Okay, then the second one, we are not giving means the prime minister or even the president, he cannot exercise unlimited power. His powers is being limited. Then third one, as a citizen of India, we are enjoying some rights. Okay, we have the freedom to, or we have the right to choose our religion. We have the right to express our opinion. We are free. Okay, so individual rights are protected, and we have the right to choose our elected representatives, and also we have an independent judiciary, okay, to clear the disputes and all. Okay, so these all points, okay, that is related to the democratic principle or democratic ideas. But so why can't we call these liberals as democrats? You know, children, we cannot call these people as Democrats because they did not believe in universal adult franchise. What do you mean by universal adult franchise? Hmm?
Every citizen of a country has the right to vote.
Every citizen of means in India, we know that we are providing or universal adult franchise. That means each and every citizen has the right to vote. Then you needed to add some points with that. What?
In India,
Mm.
at the age of 18 or above, we have the right to vote.
Yes. Okay. Then, irrespective of.
Irrespective of their religion, race,
Very good.
culture,
Okay.
background, social
Irrespective of
background.
their, yes, social and economic background, whether they were from a rich family or from a poor family, or means girl or a boy, okay, or holding a high administrative position, or a lower caste or higher caste, whatever may be, okay, every citizen, each and every one, when they turn 80, they will get a chance to vote, right? Okay, but here the Democrats, they did not believe in the universal adult franchise. They want a parliamentary government. Okay, parliamentary government. They wanted to elect the parliamentary government, but the radicals believed that, children, please note it down, only propertied members. What do you mean by propertied members? Rich members. Okay, so these radicals, sorry, the liberals believed that only the rich members were given, were have the right, will have the right to vote. Okay, so we cannot call all these 4 points that all are the ideas or the viewpoints of a democracy or a democratic country, but we should not call these liberals as Democrats. Why? Because only because they did not believe in the universal adult franchise. Okay, they believed that, or they argued that only propertied members of the society, only the rich members of the society will have the right to vote, and also they were against the right to vote. Means they believed that the woman, okay, the woman do not have the chance to vote. So the poor as well as the woman. Okay, so these two sections, they did not support it. The radicals, they did not support it, the poor and the woman. Okay, they did not support the poor and the woman. Okay, so we could not call them as Democrats. Okay, so children, just let me explain the points again. So this age, okay, the age after 18th century, after the French Revolution, many of the European countries, okay, many of the European countries, they wanted a change. Okay, because the French revolutionary ideas and the principles inspired the people of Europe, Asia, okay, Asian countries, and many of the people in living in these countries, they all wanted a change so that this era, okay, it is known as the age of social change. Okay, and the people, those who wanted a change, they were grouped into three, that is conservatives, liberals, and radicals. Okay, then the liberals, their viewpoints, okay, the liberals, they wanted a nation which tolerated all religion. That means all religious section of people wanted to live there peacefully, or their problems can be solved in that country. The second point, they were not given, okay, they were against the concentration of power in one single hand. The third one, they wanted to protect the individual rights. Okay. Then they also wanted an elected government, an independent judiciary that is free from the rulers and the officials. But we should not call them as Democrats because they did not believe in universal adult franchise. They believed that only propertied men, only rich men could have the chance to vote, and they avoided the poor section, and also they were against the voting right of women. Okay. Is these points are clear to you, children? Who are the
Yes, ma'am.
liberals? What are the viewpoints of liberals? Jarlin, can you tell me? Can you explain the points? I think her audio video becomes stuck. Gauri?
Yes, ma'am. Liberals only wanted,
Mm.
liberals still wanted a nation which can tolerate all religions.
Yes. Okay. That you understood? That point you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in a democratic country or in a secular country, we are not giving an official status to any particular religion. Okay, so the liberals, they also wanted a nation that can tolerate or that can accommodate all religious section. Okay, all religious people can be live without any problem. Okay, then second point.
They cannot be called Democrats because they did not believe in universal adult franchise.
They were not being called. No, I'm asking the second point of liberals. What are the second viewpoint of liberals?
They were against the uncontrolled power of
Uncontrolled power of the dynasty. Or they were against the concentration of power or unlimited power handled by a single person. Okay. Then third one, individual rights should be protected. And the important point, they wanted a parliamentary government, okay, and also an independent judiciary. But we should not call them as Democrats. Why?
because they did not believe in universal adult
Universal
franchise.
adult franchise. Okay, so here universal adult franchise means that right to vote is given to each and every citizen without any discrimination. Okay, all citizens are not given the chance to vote. So, but they believed that only the rich people, okay, only the propertied section of the society would be entitled to vote, and also they were not supportive to women. Okay, they believed that women, they do not want the chance to vote. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Okay. Then shall we move to the next section, that is liberals? Sorry, radicals. Okay. Yes, radicals. So the radicals, okay, like the liberals, they wanted a nation in which government was based on the majority of a country's population. What do you mean by that, children? Majority of a country's population. Hmm?
Ma'am, I'm
See,
almost
yeah.
almost popular.
Yes. That means, you know, children, the majority of the population, what was their opinion? See here, in India, we are conducting the election. Okay. And which political party has got the majority? Okay. That political party is ruling the people, right? Ruling the country. Is it? Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
We are regularly we are conducting election, right? Then election,
Yes, ma'am.
we are electing the members. So the majority, which political party has got the majority, that political party will rule the country. Okay, the same. Okay, the same opinion for the liberals. Okay, that means they wanted a nation in which the government was based on the majority of a country's population. What the people, majority people of a country decides. Okay, so they want a government. They want a government which support, okay, which support the majority people. Clear, children? The first point is clear to you. The majority, the people of a country, what they choose. Okay, so the radicals, their view is somewhat different from the liberals. Okay, so the radicals, they wanted a nation, the government must be decided by the majority of a population. If the majority of the population or the majority people what they wanted, okay, so that type of government they preferred by the radicals. Okay, then they disliked the concentration of property in the hands of a few. Okay, they were not against the private property, existence of private property, but the concentration of property in the hands of a few. What do you mean by that sentence?
Any properties owned by a single person.
One single or some section of people, like French Revolution, we have seen that the clergy and the nobles, okay, they were handling or they were holding all the properties, right? The poor people, they were doing agriculture, okay, they were farming. In most of the land was owned by the clergy and the nobles. Okay, so here the radicals, they dislike the concentration of properties in a few or means few people. Okay, but they were not against the private property. That means people can inherit their property, but the concentration of the property in hands in a few people, that was not liked by the radicals. But they were not like the liberals. They supported universal adult franchise and also suffragette movement. Have you heard universal adult suffrage? Suffrage, have you heard, children? What do you mean by the term suffrage? Suffrage, universal adult suffrage, universal adult franchise, or universal adult suffrage. Suffrage means right to vote. Okay, right to vote. So unlike the radicals, okay, liberals, listen children, unlike the liberals, the radical supported universal adult franchise and also women's vote. Okay, women's right to vote. So the liberals, they were not supportive of universal adult franchise and the women's vote. Okay, women's vote. But the radicals, they were supportive to the universal adult franchise. That means all citizens can vote. Okay, there is not means there should not be discriminated on. Yeah.
Ma'am, it's time.
Okay, okay. Just let me complete this point. So universal, this radicals, they supported universal adult suffrage. Okay, and also they supported the woman's writing chance. Okay, voting chance. Okay,